Hi everyone, welcome to Suraasa's YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn on how to find high quality teaching opportunities and how to get noticed by schools on an amazing platform built solely for teachers. In part 1 of this video, we'll look into different job opportunities available at present on the platform, and in the other half of the video, I will guide you on how to use the platform to secure a teaching job in your dream school. If we have never met before, hi, my name is Pooja Pant and I'm from Suraasa, and welcome to our channel. Here we talk about teachers, their goals, and share useful teaching skills and practices to help you build a teaching career you love so much. We are going to jump over to the computer and scroll for jobs in just a minute. But before we do that, let me show you around this platform where teachers can find amazing job opportunities. They even have schools offering Rupees 18 lakh per annum to teachers. That's huge, right? Let's check out. This is a dedicated platform for teachers looking for teaching opportunities across the globe. And the best part is that it's free. But that's not the only reason why you want to check this space. With over 300 plus schools currently from India and the UAE hiring from here, you get the top teaching opportunities in prestigious schools all at one place. Some of these schools are even offering perks such as medical insurance, child education, transportation, accommodation, among the other things. Even better, you get to track all your applications and receive real-time updates on the status of your applications. We will get to this part later. Now, I'm sure you understand how painstaking it is to fill repetitive job application forms with the same information. One other benefit of this platform is that once you build your profile, that becomes your resume for the schools. Thus, you need not fill the same info repeatedly in different application forms. You just click apply and it's done. It automatically sends your profile, aka your resume, to the schools. You can find teaching job offerings as high as 84,000 dirhams per annum to teachers. Check this one out here. This is approximately equal to 18 lakh rupees and 23,000 US dollar per year. Wow. Now, I suppose I don't need to emphasize that if you are looking for great teaching job opportunities, this is the place to be. So let's get started. But wait, did I tell you the name of this platform yet? Drum rolls please. Welcome Suraasa Jobs. Built solely for teachers, Suraasa Jobs helps you find the right teaching opportunities for yourself. Let's explore it a bit more in detail. To get started, simply visit jobs.suraasa.com and sign up if you do not have any account. The sign up process is really easy. You simply need to sign up with your email account. If you already have an account, simply sign into your account and you will land on this dashboard right here. Now, I won't cover this in detail since I trust that you can do it on your own. Let's move ahead. As we can see, there are 3 tabs present on the right corner of your screen. Explore Jobs, Dashboard, My Library. Click on Explore Jobs and you'll be able to see all different teaching opportunities present on the platform at the moment, from which you can find the ones that are right for you. As you can see, there are so many opportunities available for teachers in premium schools. You can even search for opportunities in a specific school or with particular job titles using the search filters available. Let me show you how. Firstly, you can bifurcate whether you want to explore the opportunities based on school or job titles. Simply click the option and you'll be able to explore opportunities as per your preference. For example, I want to explore opportunities with the job title. So, I click here and I can see all the opportunities bifurcated according to the open positions at the schools. Next, you can even filter the results based on subjects you want to teach. As you can see on the left side of the screen, there is an option subject with a long drop-down list of subjects available to choose from. Let's say I want to look for opportunities as an English teacher. Let's write English here and select English from the list, and tada! All the English positions available are shown to me. Let's try the same for mathematics teachers. I am typing mathematics here, selecting the option, and voila! It only shows me open opportunities for mathematics teachers. You can even filter out the curriculum you want to teach in. As you can see, just below the subject option, we have an option for curriculum. So let's say I want to be a mathematics teacher in a CBSE school. So I will click CBSE from the list, and now I can only see CBSE based schools hiring for mathematics teachers. Interestingly, you can choose more than one curriculum at a time. Let's say I can be a mathematics teacher at a CBSE or an IB school. I don't mind. So in that case, I will also select IB from the list. So now as you can see, I am shown both CBSE as well as IB based schools in my search. Pretty clean, right? And finally, you can filter the country and even the region, state in that country where you want to teach. So let's say I want to be a mathematics teacher in India in an IB or CBSE based school. So I select India from the country list and I can see all the available opportunities. Now let's try if I want to teach in the UAE. Now let's try if I want to teach in the UAE in an IGCSE school or a British school. Let's apply those filters and ta-da! It only shows you your preferred teaching opportunities based on your subject, curriculum and location. Amazing, isn't it? From opportunities in English, mathematics, science, Arabic, we also have opportunities for vocational subjects such as dance, among others. So teachers, if you are looking for jobs, this is the place to be. Hop on right now. To check out all these opportunities, simply Google jobs.suraasa.com and start hunting jobs right away. This brings us to the second part of the video, how to apply and make the most of Suraasa Jobs. Well, it's a simple 3-step process. Complete your profile, apply for jobs, and get hired. Easy, right? Well, it's easier than it sounds. To build your profile, simply hop onto the dashboard section right here, and you'll have an option, Complete Profile below. Click on the button and you'll land on a form like this. Fill in your personal, academic, work details and ta-da! Your profile will be built. You can add more information like your achievements, publications, career aspiration and more when you edit your profile. You can even find a detailed blog on how you can build your profile on Suraasa given in the description below. Check that out to get started on your profile. Let me also tell you one secret. You can even add a 2 to 3 minute video to your profile. Believe me when we say that many of our schools specifically look for candidates who have such videos uploaded, as it gives them the insights in your communication skills and passion even before an interview. It can increase your chances of getting a job multifold. Once you have your profile in place, simply click on the opportunity you like and click Apply Now. As I told you earlier, Suraasa will automatically share your profile with the school and you will be able to track all your applications. Let's see how. Let's say I want to apply for this post of English teacher. I can view the school profile, school photos, timings, job requirements. If they all suit me, I will click Apply Now here. Suraasa will automatically send my profile to the school. If the school accepts my application and schedules an interview, I will get notified and it will appear here on the jobs dashboard in active applications. You can see all the active applications are present here. You can even view the timeline of your application by clicking here and it will show your application history from the beginning. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. We hope that you enjoyed it and now you know where to look for teaching opportunities. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this was a big help to you. We tried our best to sum it up for you, everything about Suraasa Jobs and every step of the job search process. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we upload a video. If you have any questions about Suraasa Jobs, leave a comment below and we will get back to you super soon. See you in the next video. Till then, happy teaching. Bye-bye.